how to get another WhatsApp on your phone. So first of all, there is two ways that you can pull this off. One of them is by just going ahead to my settings, and we're gonna just go ahead to general, and we're gonna go ahead to iPhone storage, and we're gonna scroll a little bit down till you find WhatsApp. Proceed to WhatsApp, and we're gonna just go ahead and offload the app and delete the app. And from there, you're gonna just enter the WhatsApp, and you're gonna enter a new phone with the verification code and everything, and you're gonna set up your new number. Okay, that's one way to do that. But if you want to keep your same phone number on WhatsApp, and but you want to use another phone number at the same phone, what you gotta do here, alternatively, you gotta just go back to your screen, and we gotta just go ahead and enter the App Store, and we're gonna search for WhatsApp Business. This is one of the ways that you can actually pull this off, by just going ahead and download WhatsApp Business, and we're gonna wait for a couple minutes, and we're gonna get back to you. After downloading WhatsApp Business, you're gonna just enter WhatsApp Business, and as you can see right here, it's like a new whole different app, right? So we're gonna just go ahead and agree and continue. And here it will ask you to use that same phone number, right, as same as WhatsApp Business. Or if you want to use a different number, you're gonna just go ahead and use different number, and we're gonna enter our new phone number, and we're gonna verify it, and we're gonna add the picture and everything, and we're gonna set up our new phone number. And this way you can use two phone numbers at the same phone, okay, for WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.